Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, my best wishes to you all. Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is an online class from Rangpur Government Girls High School. Welcome you all to this online class. This is Razia Begum, Assistant Teacher in English, Rangpur Government Girls High School. Today I am going to deliver you a class on English Paper 1, Grade 8. My dear students, before going to the main topic, let's watch a video.
ব্রিজের উপর সাতটা ধরি সাতটা দেখাই তারপরে যাবার যেমন ফোনা কয়লা তুলি পাটিতে বলে কতজনে পড়ে যায় কতজনে পড়ে না এই সারাদিন খাটে একটা দুটো গাছ পাওয়া যায় অনেক সময় পাওয়া যায় অনেক সময় পাওয়া যায়
আমার তো স্কুলে যাওয়ার ইচ্ছা আছে কিন্তু স্কুল নাই তার জন্য আমি যেতে পারি না।
আমরা এখানে আছি পড়তে ঘাটে থাকি লেখাপড়ার আশা ছিল কিন্তু পড়তে পারি না আমরা নির্দিষ্ট একটা জায়গা চাই থাকার জন্য কষ্ট করে হলেও যেখানে পড়ালেখা করতে পারি
ছোটকাল থেকে আশা ছিল লেখাপড়া করার এইভাবে যাতায়াতের মধ্যে ঘুরে বেড়া রাস্তা রাস্তা অনেক ছেলেমেয়ে আমাদের নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে আপনারা আমরা অন্য ভর্তি চাই না
লাগাই কুবা কষাই ভাত খাওয়াই রস খাওয়াই বিষ খাওয়াই পেট টানি মাজা টানি মাথা টানি কোমর টানি
So dear students, what is the video about? Can you guess? Yes, the video is about a special tribal group named Bede Gypsy and how they lead their lives nowadays. So our today's lesson is River Gypsies in Bangladesh Part 2. This is at Unit 7, Lesson 4. So my dear students, just open your book at page 85. Here you will get two pictures in section A. Now look at the pictures and think about them. What do you see in the two pictures? There are some clues which will help you to describe the pictures. Who are they? Where are they? What are they doing? Etc. Thinking the clues, you just try to make 6 or 7 sentences in your own words. Okay, now let's move in section B. In section B, there you will find a text which you will have to read silently and individually for some activities. But Before reading the text, let me show you first some difficult words for the text for your better understanding. Now look at the words. At first, survive. This means continue to live or exist despite of hardship or outlive. The use of the word in a sentence is we cannot survive without breathing. Used to, habit of long time or habituated. We are used to leading a simple life. Inherit, to receive the property or money of a person who has died. The girl inherited a vast property. Pity, very small or unimportant. Her father is a petty clerk in a new company. Settle means set down or to fix by agreement. They settled the dispute among themselves after a long discussion. Mainstream, main part of flow or dominant. Mainstream lifestyle belongs to the people of mainland. Trick, cheat or deceive by cunning. Magic is an art of tricks. Integral part means essential to completeness or entire. Trees are an integral part of nature. Community means a body of people living in the same place under the same laws. Bangladeshis are a peaceful community. Urbanize means to introduce urban characteristics. The villagers feel the need to urbanize their villages. Urban, relating to a city. We live in an urban area, Rangpur. Now, dear students, read the text and answer the following questions. Here, I have set the text for your help. You may read here by pausing the video by taking your time. This is second para of the text. Dear students, you know this is not a regular class, so I have to move fast. This is third or last part of the text. You just pause the video and read the text by taking your time. So, dear students, now these are the questions. Number 1, what are the main problems that river gypsies are facing? Number 2, what is the effect of global climate change in Bangladesh? Number 3, why are many river gypsies thinking of changing their lifestyle? Number 4, why can't river gypsy children go to conventional schools? Number 5, who are running special schools for river gypsy children? Why? Dear students, you may read the text again and make ready the answers of these questions. You take your time. After completing your task, just match your answers with mine. This is the answer number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Number 4. And this is the last one, number 5. So dear students, you can also take the time by pausing the video and match your answers with mine. So let's move in section C. Here you will find a audio. You have to listen the audio very attentively and carefully. While listening, you just tick the best answers.
Catching and selling snakes are common in all the Vedic communities. They catch snakes during the rainy season and keep them for sale or for show. Females of the Vedic families also contribute to the family income with pretty trades. They sometimes go far from home on foot to sell things. The age-old gypsy tricks do not interest people much these days, so they are forced to seek more acceptable ways to earn their livings. Many have settled near the river banks all over the country and have started a small business. The big question now is if they can survive with their traditional practices or not. Most of the villagers are changing jobs in order to survive. They have no other options. As a result, the gypsy culture in Bangladesh is in a crisis. It is the government's responsibility to provide the villagers with enough support. We should keep it in mind that villages are inseparable from our history and culture.
So dear students, have you completed your task? Now match your answers with mine. The first answer is rainy season. The second answer is income. The third answer is on food. The fourth answer is river banks. And the fifth answer is culture. So dear students, now it is the time for homework. I have set here a task for your homework, that is, write down the characteristics of the snake charmers of Bangladesh. So that is all for today. Thank you all of you for watching the video, watching the class. Allah Hafiz.